Welcome to Nutric Food Show 7th Ramadan Diet Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Avoid food that contain trans fats. Reduce your salt intake. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: 2 bananas, 1 hard-boiled egg, 1 glass milk with 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 vegetable nuggets including potato, peas, green chili, black pepper with tomato sauce.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 2 dates, 4 slices of apple, 1 cup clear meat broth.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 1 whole wheat roti, 2 baked chicken pieces, 1 fist of nuts. Exercise for 7th day:
15 minutes yoga,
20 minutes walk. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.